24/7 trading isn't about entering more trades faster. At least for me, a lot of the times, the big advantage is simply being able to manage your risk. Now, in a world where global markets are more connected than ever, not being able to exit or hedge and basically being forced to sit and wait for Monday is just not a way that I want to live. So the edge isn't just, cool, I can trade whenever I want to. The edge is that you can always actively manage your positions and take full advantage of every market mover headline. A concern is obviously that now you're just always on, but I'll cover how to take these opportunities without it ruining your life in a bit. So why is this big push for 24/7 markets happening now? The first reason is that markets are just more global than ever. US stocks, they don't only move because of things that happened between 9:30 and 4 in New York. They move because of what happens in Asia, what happens in the Middle East, what happens in crypto, commodities, elections, wars, and a bunch of other things. None of those things care about the US market hours. Now, this may be a bit controversial, but the second reason, in my opinion, is crypto. I think that crypto just fundamentally changed what traders expect from markets. If you grew up trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or maybe even meme coins, the idea that markets close for the night, it just feels super outdated. Now, for every crypto trader, the question is pretty obvious. It's like, why can I trade Bitcoin on a Sunday, but I can't actually trade Nvidia, Tesla, oil, or gold the same way? Now, the third reason, in my opinion, is institutions. The New York Stock Exchange has been preparing for extended trading for a 2026 launch, and they're even talking about a fully 24/7 tokenized securities platform. The NASDAQ is moving to a 24/5 schedule. Schwab, they've already made overnight trading available for tons of stocks and ETFs through Thinkorswim. The CME, they're expanding 24/7 access for products like, crypto futures, gold, and smaller crude contracts. So this is not just retail traders saying, I wish markets were open longer. The biggest exchanges and brokerages, they're also moving in this direction. And honestly, it makes sense, right? The longer markets are open, the more people can trade, and the more trading means more trading volume there is. So it's just better business for exchanges, brokers, market makers, and anybody else who's involved. So the incentive is there, the demand is there, and the technology is finally starting to catch up. That technology has pushed markets towards tokenization. Tokenization is basically taking real-world assets like stocks, bonds, and commodities and transforming them into digital tokens. And these tokens, they live on a blockchain. So instead of owning a share of Apple through a traditional broker that takes days to settle, you own a digital token representation of that share that can be traded, instantly around the clock anywhere in the world. Now, I'll cover tokenization and what that means for your trading in a future video, so make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. So what is the opportunity of 24/7 trading? To me, it's just really simple. A big unlock is that it lets traders operate around their actual schedules instead of Wall Street's schedule. Now, that means if you're not trading full time and you're working another job like a regular person, you can still find ways to respond and change your positions before and after markets close. Even bigger unlock, though, is it solves the problem of being frozen while the market's still moving. Wars don't wait for market hours. Other countries don't wait for US market hours. And honestly, most companies, at least most big companies, they don't really respect market hours either. Just take Nvidia as an example of this. Now, just to illustrate how big of a problem not being able to trade 24/7 is, let's take the following example. Let's say it's Friday afternoon and you decide you're going to hold a position that's sensitive to, oil, rates, crypto, or geopolitics through the weekend. Now it's Saturday night and a major headline hits the Middle East. Oil starts moving, gold starts moving, crypto starts moving. But if your position is in a stock or an ETF that you can't trade until Monday, you're basically stuck watching the world change while your position is getting absolutely nuked. And that's just not a fun place to be in. I'll cover 24/7 trading strategies in a bit, but the part that most traders I talk to about 24/7 trading don't understand is that the risk isn't missing the upside. The risk is being trapped in the downside, which if you're trading on a platform like Rift, that risk is controlled. And this is where perpetual futures, also called Perps, come into play. Because if markets are moving 24/7, traders are naturally going to want instruments that also trade 24/7, whether it's going long, short, or just hedging and managing risk while waiting for traditional markets to open. At least in my opinion, that's what I think Perps are very, very useful for. Perps give traders the ability to take leveraged long or short positions without waiting for a traditional market to open. And unlike traditional futures, they don't expire on a set date. Perps obviously have their own risks though. So keep that in mind. There's liquidation risk, there's funding costs to consider, and there's a lot more. Now, I'll cover how to trade Perps in an upcoming video, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So how should people actually think about trading in a 24/7 market? What strategies can you use? Well, the absolute golden rule here is don't think that just because the market is always open that you always need to be trading. When markets are always on and you're tired and emotional, you need to have a system for yourself, and I promise if you don't, you will make bad decisions. For example, if the market is really choppy and there isn't a strong directional trend, maybe you want to run a very simple spot or leverage grid bot strategy. A grid bot strategy might sound complicated, but the idea is very simple. You pick a price range and the bot trades inside that range. Let's say Nvidia is trading at 215 and you think it's going to chop between 200 and 230. So instead of trying to actively and manually scalp every single move, you can just set a grid between 200 and 230. The bot divides the range into levels. When the price moves lower, it can buy. When the price moves higher, it can sell. It's not trying to predict a massive breakout. It's basically trying to capture smaller moves inside the range over and over again. So the goal is not to be awake 24/7. The goal is just to have a strategy that can also operate 24/7. Now, grid bots aren't magic. They usually work best in a choppy or range-bound market. So if an asset breaks out hard in one direction, the bot can struggle. So you need to understand the market regime and when to change your strategy. Another strategy for trading 24/7 is with Perps, and either setting tight stop losses or using signals as a trigger to exit a position. We'll cover this in another video, but make sure that with Perps, you're always watching for your liquidation level and your funding costs, especially for volatile assets. And another final simple strategy for trading 24/7, especially if you want to be more risk off, but still, get some return, is running what's called a delta neutral strategy. I'll cover this more in depth in another video, but an example of a delta neutral strategy is when you spot buy Bitcoin, you lend out your BTC to get additional yield, and then you short the Bitcoin perp with 1x leverage. Delta neutral strategies do require a lot of management, but if you do it right, you choose the right assets with the right funding trend, you can generate pretty meaningful yield in multiple ways without any P&L risk. Now, while we're on the topic of risk, I do want to be honest about some of the other risks of 24/7 trading in general that people should factor in. Liquidity can be thinner outside normal hours, so your fills can be worse. Spreads can be wider, which means it can cost more to get in and out. Volatility can be spikier because there may be fewer participants in the market. And because of all this, news can just really move prices way faster. If you're like me, seeing so much volatility, it can make you trade more emotionally and just drive you to do things that you wouldn't normally do when it comes to trading. So just be mindful out there. This is actually one of the areas where Rift really helps me, especially when trading at these off hours. I'm always referring back to the signals and setups I like as Confluence just to make sure I'm sticking to my system. In case you missed my other video, Rift is a mobile trading app that we built, especially for this new 24/7 market evolution, and we're backed by funds like Sequoia, A16Z, Lightspeed, and Jump Trading. Now, I constantly hated switching between, there's an app for stocks, an app for crypto, an app for perps, an app for news, another app for charts. So with Rift, we bring everything into one place, which is amazing, especially if you trade mostly from your phone like I do. Now, some people might say, wait, don't Robinhood and Schwab already have after hours trading? And yes, that's part of the shift. But there's also a big difference between limited, extended after hours access and a trading app that's built for 24/7 markets. Traditional after hours trading usually means trading selected stocks or ETFs, limited sessions, different order types, and a market that still feels like the regular stock market with a few extra hours bolted on. Rift is taking a totally different approach. Rift is built for a world where traders want access across equities, commodities, crypto, forex, futures, spot, all from a single experience, where they can also automate their strategies, stay updated in real time on news, and a lot more. The idea behind Rift is simple. If markets are becoming always on, then your trading app needs to be built for these always on markets and have the ability to trade all asset classes from the same app. Because as you already know, assets are more correlated than ever. That means 24/7 market access, real-time news, signals, and back-tested setups, automation so you can enter and exit with confidence while you're asleep or just living your life. It also means perps for more advanced traders who want leverage. With Rift, you have one-tap execution so you can act when something happens, because if you're like me, you're just always have your phone with you. So the market's not waiting for the opening bell anymore. News happens all the time, global markets react all the time, and slowly the rest of the financial system is just being rebuilt around that reality. Great traders are always looking for an edge, and this one's clear. And that's why we built Rift. Download Rift with the link in the description. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.